Vodacom's forensic liaison supervisor, Pinky Vythilingam, told the court that a SIM swap was done on Meyiwa's phone on the 27th of October 2014, a day after the footballer was killed. But she did not mention the person who requested the SIM swap. However, she did mention that it was done in a retail outlet in Sandton, north of Johannesburg. Vythilingam testified that a number associated to former Kaizer Chiefs footballer David Matebula called Meyiwa's then girlfriend Kelly Khumalo 8 times from 7 in the morning until late evening without success. This corroborates previous evidence by cell phone data analyst Colonel Labertus Steyn that Matebula and Khumalo were in contact following the murder.
Since we have established that number belonged or it was associated to David Matebula, did that number at any stage have any contact with any number associated with Kelly Khumalo?
Yes. If we look at exhibit J1 on page 1651, you will find the lower part of that page, 27th October 2014 at 7:32. The number ending 3899 called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail. Duration lasted 6 seconds. If you move on to page 1653, still on the 27th of October, at 1608, called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail. That call lasted 7 seconds. Thereafter, at 17:15, another call was made from the number ending 3899 to the number ending 4358, which was still on voicemail, lasted 4 seconds. Round about 17:22, a similar activity took place. That call lasted 14 seconds. Thereafter, a few seconds later, at 17:22, 3899 called 4358, which was still on voicemail. That lasted 7 seconds. Towards the bottom of the page, at 1910, 3899 called 4358, which remained on voicemail, and it lasted 17 seconds. Over to the next page, 1654.
Page 1654.
There were 2 activities at 2125 and 2152. 3899 called 4358, which was still on voicemail, and those calls lasted 6 and 7 seconds respectively.
Vythilingam is expected back on the stand when the case resumes in the High Court in Pretoria. Monique, SABC News.